Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In this video, I will show how to turn on or off the alarm clock vibration alert on Samsung Galaxy S26. Before starting this video, please press the bell icon or do subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.